Hold on, I gotta unlock it. Okay. Oh. No, wait, hold on.
Are you hitting the button?
I'm hitting the button. You're pulling the handle when I hit the button. You pulled it before I hit the button that time. Stop pulling it when I pull it. Just wait. Okay. Yeah, sort of. Just wait a little.
I need to wait?
Yeah, just wait until after I push the button. The unlock. I push the unlock. And then
You hit the button.
Yes.
That unlocks it.
Correct.
I thought it was like a security.
No, you don't. It's not a timing thing. You don't have to pull it when I push the button. I'm going to push it, and then you're going to pull it.
Like that?
No, because it didn't, you're not. No, okay. When you, the first 2 times ago, I pushed it, and you didn't pull it at all. That would have been the time to pull it, was after. I pushed it. Okay. I didn't even push it. Wait. Stop. Hold on.
Let's do a countdown.
Yeah. Look, I'm going to count it. Okay. I'm going to say 3, 2, 1. You, in your head, count to 4.
Okay.
You count to 4. When I start at 1, count to 4. Okay, look. 1, 2, 3. No.
I started at 0.
You should have been in, but you didn't because you went on 3. You say in your brain, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to say with my mouth, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to hit it on 3. And then you're going to pull it on 4. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You go on 4.
I'm just going to pull the handle like 50 times, and you hit it whenever you want to.
No, that's...
One of those is going to work.
Okay, fine. Try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is... Am I supposed to be counting how many times you're pulling the handle to 50? Or are you paying attention at all to when I'm pushing the button? Wait until I hit the button, and then you pull the handle. I'm going to push the button. You're going to pull the handle. You're going to get in the car. You got itchy fingers? Hang on a second, man. Can you do me a favor? Put an interval of 2 seconds in between each pull to 50. No, Mississippi seconds, not clapping seconds. Okay, hold on. Okay, 1, 2, pull. No. Okay, push. 1, 2,